In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional logic in Tally forms. Conditional logic can significantly enhance the user experience in forms by making them dynamic and responsive. This approach allows you to guide your form users along customized paths based on their specific answers. Today, we'll dive right into setting this up in Tally, so let's get started. First, you want to head over to Tally's free online form builder. It's a user-friendly platform, perfect for creating detailed forms without too much hassle. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. Simply click on the Log In button, and you'll be prompted to continue with Google. Click on the option to continue with Google, and if you haven't logged into Google yet, you'll see a list of your accounts. Choose your preferred Google account by clicking on it. After selecting your Google account, you might need to click Continue once more to confirm your sign-in. Once logged in successfully, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you can select the form you wish to work with. If you haven't created a form yet, you'll need to do so now. After selecting your form, click on the Edit option. This will open the form in edit mode. To add conditional logic, you'll start by triggering the menu with the Ha key. This brings up various options, and from there select Short Answer for adding your questions. You'll type in the question you want to include in your form. To add logic, click on the 6 dots next to your question, which will reveal more options. Choose the Hide option if you want the question to conditionally appear based on other responses. Now let's set up the conditional logic itself. Click on the 6 dots again and select Add Conditional Logic. This step is crucial as it enables the form to reveal questions dynamically based on user interactions. You can set the question to appear once another question has been answered. To do this, click on the When dropdown and choose the condition you'd like the answer to meet. For example, you could set it up to show when the question is not empty. After setting the When condition, head to the Then dropdown to determine the subsequent action. Here select Show Blocks and then choose from the dropdown which subsequent questions or sections should be revealed. You can fine-tune this by selecting what is your budget range if that's relevant to your flow. Don't forget to preview your form before finishing to ensure everything works as expected. Reviewing your setup will confirm that the conditional logic behaves correctly and adjusts dynamically based on responses. And there you have it. You've successfully implemented conditional logic into your Tally form, creating a tailored, interactive experience for your users. This method does more than just streamline data collection. It ensures respondents only see questions pertinent to them, making for a clearer, more efficient interaction.